I was refreshing my hair and I thought to myself, I should definitely share this with you guys, especially if you wear a style such as this. You guys can already imagine the tangles, right? I'm hair refreshing. Listen, this product is the GOAT. African Pride Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo. This side I've done so far. But the only thing is though, I may wash my hair soon, probably the day after, so I can get away with doing this. I wanted to use a product that would help me detangle the curls right before wash day, because I know wash day would be a hazard if I didn't do something with these curls. This product not only detangles but it conditions, and let's see how this holds up. And I'm also going to style my hair. Let me bring you guys along because this will be helpful for you, especially if you try doing this style on your natural hair. Let me show you guys what I'm doing so far. So this is the strand. So I'm just using that product and working it through the curl, and it's so easy because it quickly hydrates the curls without doing too much, and we love that, right? So I'm just working the product through the curl and twirling the hair. The same process to install, and boom, moisturized already. And the fact that I did these a while ago and it's looking real good. Yes, yes, yes. I just love when I find ways to make maintaining my natural hair or taking care of my natural hair. I love when I find ways to make it easier, because sometimes I feel like we make it harder than it needs to be because we haven't figured out what works for our hair, because we're so caught up in what others are doing and what doesn't work. And this definitely works for me right now, because the issue with doing this style on your natural hair is the tangles, especially if you have hair that's easy to tangle like mine. But it is a style that is very high maintenance, so maybe every other day you might have to refresh. But as I told you guys, I'm not leaving this hairstyle in for long. This was just a holiday hairstyle. So this is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. Juicy bunks for them, baby, bunks. BRB, let me do the rest. All done. And y'all, this just makes sense. These aren't staying down for the hairstyle that I want to do, and it doesn't make sense to do them over. It would look so cute if I leave the hair out though, but this one is sticking up. Okay, I may do these two over. I'm liking this look. So let me rubber band these two pieces and do over the front. Yeah. Hold on, trust the process. So I'm gonna do these over and do the edges, and we're gonna be set. BRB. I'm doing over the front but not the Boho braids. I'm just going to rebraid it. So I unraveled, spritzed with water, worked that water through, added some edge control, worked that in, and as I told you, I'm going to rebraid. I'm not braiding all the way to the ends, that gel that I used to do the curls. I'm just gonna add that to the ends. Okay, we are back. How you guys doing? It hasn't been that long, right? It's been about maybe an hour and a half, maybe. Nah, it's not an hour and a half. 45 minutes to an hour, somewhere around there. I was gonna do my makeup and come on here like boom, bam. But we cute still, you know, beautiful. I ran out of time, so I'll have to try to do that tomorrow. But I still wanted to come on here to show you guys what my hair ended up looking like, and I guess I can test to see how the product actually works. Tell me we don't look brand new. Hello. So this is what the edges are looking like. Can you guys see the hair or not? I'm trying to bring it a little closer so you guys can see, but it's kind of dark. Can you see? We are refreshed. The pieces in the front look so cute. Ooh. We're gonna have to see how this holds up for tomorrow. If you do try this out, hopefully it works. I already saw someone comment saying that it doesn't work for them, the product. Just to show you that different products work differently for different people. But you can still try it out. If it doesn't work, then hopefully we can continue to share what works for us and what doesn't. It's about 2 days later, and of course, I haven't really gone anywhere, so we got a bun. But let's talk about it. Y'all see them flakes flying around? Using that product would have made more sense if I was going to wash my hair the next day, like yesterday, but I didn't. So there is a lot of flaking. So today I'm going to unravel or take down the hair. We're gonna start with spritzing with some water, smoothing the water in and pulling the hair down. But it seems like once you reapply water, the flakes go away. Listen, I just be experimenting and sharing that with you guys. The fact that I did add my pre-poo product. It's going to make detangling a lot easier because as I spritz the water, it's just reactivating the product that was already in there. I'm still going to apply some more, so I'm just gonna work that in and smooth it down. It's looking rejuvenated again. Yeah, should I take this out? Would you guys have left this in? So this is what it looks like when I reapply the product. Juicy, but unfortunately we're going to unravel. We're gonna start with the section at the back, and hopefully this doesn't take too long because that's why I did them this size chunky compared to the size I did them the last time. And you see, easy breezy. It's 4:48, so let's see how long this process takes me. One down and let's go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest.
We are done, and that didn't take too long at all, guys. It's finished around 5:10 or so. You do the calculation because I cannot remember what time I started. The time already vanished from my mind. I want to style it, but not really. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but I do want to film a video for you guys. You'll see the video if you watch the video that is going to be in. Anyway, I'm gonna spritz some water on the front of my hair. I'm just gonna do a puff, apply some gel. Lord, hopefully this does not flake. I'm most likely going to wash my hair tomorrow. Brush, ponytail holder, ready and good to go.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.